Welcome to TechTonicTwist, the channel that brings you the latest and greatest in gadgets and gizmos. From smartphones to laptops, we've got you covered. In today's video, we're building a beastly gaming PC for under $700 that'll leave your wallet thrilled and your opponents quacking in their boots. Imagine buttery smooth frame rates, stunning visuals, and the sweet satisfaction of dominating the competition, all without sacrificing your wallet. Sounds too good to be true? Buckle up, Buttercup, because we're about to make your gaming dreams a budget-friendly reality. Buy all these products from the link in the description, because we have gathered only the discounted ones. Now let's dive into the video. First up, we will be talking about CPU. Ryzen 5 5600G, a product that's been making waves in the PC world. This 6-core, 12-thread processor is AMD's most affordable entry to the Zen 3 architecture. It's not just about affordability, though. The Ryzen 5 5600G delivers excellent performance that rivals older 8-core processors from both Intel and AMD. It's even been found to perform slightly faster than the 5600X in max threads testing. But what sets the 5600G apart is its integrated Vega graphics cores, which are much more powerful than even Intel's Xe Rocket Lake IGP. This makes it a superb, value-focused option for gamers, especially those looking to build a gaming PC on a budget perfect for smooth gameplay and even some light streaming. And it will cost you around $140. Next, the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 Super, the unsung hero of budget builds. A graphics card that's been praised for its performance and value. It's faster than the non-super variant, thanks to its higher shader count and the switch to GDDR6 memory. Despite its compact size, the GTX 1650 Super doesn't compromise on performance. However, it's worth noting that its 4GB VRAM could be limiting for demanding titles at higher settings. So if you're looking for a budget-friendly graphics card that doesn't skimp on performance, the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 Super could be just what you need. It'll handle most modern games at 1080p with decent settings, letting you crank up those visuals without melting your rig, making it a great choice for gamers on a budget. And it will cost you around $250. Now memory, RAM, the secret sauce of smooth multitasking. We're grabbing 16GB of DDR4 3200 memory. This type of RAM is a popular choice for many PC builders due to its balance of performance and cost. With a data rate of 3200 MHz, it provides fast, efficient performance for gaming, multitasking, and more. It's also compatible with a wide range of motherboards, making it a versatile choice for various builds. Whether you're upgrading an existing system or building a new one, a 16GB DDR4 3200 memory module can provide the speed and capacity you need for smooth, lag-free operation. So, if you're looking to boost your PC's performance, 16GB of DDR4 3200 memory could be a great addition to keep your games running like a dream, and it will cost you around $30. And while choosing the storage, we're ditching the old, slow hard drives and opting for a blazing fast 500GB NVMe SSD. No more staring at that spinning hourglass of doom. With its NVMe interface, it offers lightning-fast read and write speeds, significantly reducing load times and making your system feel snappier. Whether you're a gamer needing quick load times, a content creator dealing with large files, or just a regular user who wants a responsive system, this SSD is a fantastic choice. It's also worth noting that NVMe SSDs are becoming more affordable, making them an excellent investment for future-proofing your PC. So, if you're looking to take your PC to the next level, a 500GB NVMe SSD is a great place to start. And it will cost you around $45. Motherboard, the glue that holds it all together. We're keeping it simple with a micro ATX motherboard that fits the bill without breaking the bank. This is a standard motherboard form factor that is smaller than the regular ATX, but still offers plenty of features and performance for your gaming or productivity needs. Micro ATX motherboards are cheaper than their full-sized counterparts. They also fit in smaller cases, which makes them ideal for compact or portable PC builds. You can still use most of the standard ATX components, such as power supplies, cooling systems, and expansion cards, with a micro ATX motherboard, as long as they are compatible with the case size and layout. And it will cost you around $80. And obviously, we don't want to fry your precious components. So we're using a 550W 80 Plus Bronze certified PSU ensures our PC gets the clean, stable power it needs. It has at least 85% efficiency at typical loads. This means it wastes less energy as heat and saves you money on your electricity bill. It also has an ultra-quiet fan that offers excellent cooling performance and low noise levels. The fan only spins when the PSU is under heavy load, so you can enjoy a silent PC experience most of the time. This PSU has a modular design, which means you can use only the cables that you need and leave the rest in the box. This helps you reduce cable clutter and improve airflow inside your case. It also makes your PC look cleaner and more professional. And it will cost you around $50. Lastly, introducing the NZXT H5 PC gaming case, where style meets performance. Designed for the most demanding gamers, this sleek case boasts high-performance airflow with perforated front and top panels, ensuring your components stay cool even during intense gaming sessions. Its dedicated GPU fan, positioned at an angle, provides direct cooling for your power-hungry graphics card, optimizing your gaming experience. With spacious cooling support, including compatibility, your system will stay frosty under pressure. The NZXT H5 accommodates most NVIDIA GeForce RTX 40 series graphics cards with its generous 365mm max GPU clearance, and for those looking to showcase their GPU vertically, the NZXT Vertical GPU Mounting Kit has got you covered. But it is sold separately. Overall, NZXT H5, the ultimate choice for gamers who demand both style and substance. And it will cost you around $95. And there you have it, folks. A fully functional, future-proof gaming PC for under $700. Now, I know what you're thinking. Can it really handle the heat? Heck, yes, it can! This budget beast will deliver smooth performance and stunning visuals. Remember, this is just a starting point. You can tweak it to your preferences and upgrade later. But the most important thing is that you built it yourself, learned a ton, and saved a boatload of cash. So, what are you waiting for? Build your own gaming dream machine. Don't forget to leave a comment below with your progress and any questions. And if you enjoyed this video, smash that like button and subscribe for more epic PC builds and tech adventures.